What's up, guys? This is Nick here with Rebel Coasters Events. Hey guys, I'm taking my afternoon to show you guys what it looks like after the 5 days of raining from Wednesday night. And I'm by the Bell of Louisville and the Mary M. Miller boat too as well. Hey guys, it's out of its banks. This is historic, and this hasn't been like this since for a long time. And I'm gonna show you guys around what it looks like, do a 360 around here in downtown Louisville with the Ohio River. As you can see, I'm downtown by the Galt House, where the stairs leads to the Bell of Louisville, and you can't even get down to the Bell of Louisville at all. You literally, this is as far as you can go to get to the Bell, and guys, it's pretty bad. I mean, they had to cancel Thunder. Thunder was supposed to be April 12th of this year, and now they have to cancel it because due to high water. And they're expecting the crest high, very high, up to like 30, I think 36 or more by this Wednesday. Hey guys, I don't know. Hope you guys be safe though.